What's up everyone, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Kawasaki KRX 1000. Keeping up on your air filter maintenance is important for a couple of reasons. One being, if that air filter is packed with dirt, the engine performance is going to suffer. And two being, if any dirt or debris stays around that air filter and vibrates around, eventually it can damage that air filter element, allowing dirt to enter the engine and it's going to damage it. So you want to stay up on that air filter maintenance. The service interval is every 50 hours or 600 miles, whichever comes first. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and remove our seat. You don't have to do this, you can slide it forward, but removing it makes the job easier. So just behind the seat we have this access panel. We just need to turn these tabs 90 degrees. And then there's two tabs at the bottom. We'll just pull this straight out. You can see there's a ton of dirt under here. I'm going to clean that off right now so we don't knock any of that down into that filter. And we have two clips on top of that cover. This just rocks down. Then we can remove the air filter. So we're going to put one rag down this intake so we don't get any dirt in there. And then we're going to wipe the rest of this dust and dirt out of here. That way it's all clean when we go back together. The most important area to make sure is clean is right around where that filter seals. And you also want to look and make sure you weren't getting any dirt past your old air filter. Now this air filter can be cleaned. If it's not that bad, you can actually tap this out and let the dirt come out on a bench and then use compressed air and spray from the inside out to remove all the dirt. But ours is pretty packed, so we're actually going to replace it with a new one. So we're just going to take the new filter, slide it down into place. Now before we install the cover, make sure this gasket is correctly seated all the way around and in good condition. And then we're just going to catch these two tabs at the bottom, rock this into place, and make sure the clips on the top are fully engaged and pressed down. Next, we'll reinstall the access panel. Again, two tabs at the bottom. And we'll rotate the two clips 90 degrees at the top. Now, if you need this air filter or any other maintenance items for your KRX, be sure to get those on our website. And all we have left to do for this is to reinstall our seat. And that's all there is to changing the air filter on your KRX 1000. It's quick and simple. And for more helpful content like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.